Hi, this is the CAD/CAM Lessons channel. In one of my previous videos, I showed you how to create a solid by sweeping a sketch along a path. In FreeCAD, operations that allow you to create 3D solids based on a sketch have counterparts that allow you to remove material based on a sketch. In this lesson, I will show you how to remove material from a solid based on a sketch by sweeping the sketch along a path. I remind you that FreeCAD is a fully free 3D modeling program that anyone can use. You just need to download FreeCAD, install it, and you can already create your own 3D models. Before we start, just a quick note, you'll find links to my FreeCAD courses in the description. It's also a great way to support the channel. I will switch to FreeCAD now and show you, using a simple example, how the operation works that allows removing material by sweeping sketches along a path. I will create a new parametric project, create a rectangle sketch here, and simply create a block here that will be the base. Okay, now I will create a path sketch on this face. I will start by creating reference geometry. I will create the path sketch using a polyline, and I will create the profiles that I will sweep along the path on the faces of the solid. It is important that the start point of the path is perpendicular to the plane where the profile sketch will be, which we will sweep along this path. So here, I simply start by creating a line perpendicular to this face of the rectangle, and we create a sketch. Okay, I click the right mouse button twice to end this command, and I will add fillets to the corners of this polyline. Now I select these radii, and set the dimensions of these radii to be equal, and we dimension one radius. Okay. Or I will increase the value of this radius to 15 millimeters. And I will move this a bit here. Okay, I close the sketch. Now I will create a sketch on this face. I will rotate the view a bit and create reference geometry to use this point. And here, for example, I will create a circle with a diameter of 10 millimeters. To remove material from the solid based on the sketch, we use the Subtractive Pipe operation. We select the profile sketch, choose the operation, click the Object button, and indicate the path along which we will remove material from the solid. And in this way, we can remove material from a solid by sweeping a sketch along a path. Just like with the additive pipe operation, here too we can apply intermediate profiles. I will remove this operation now and create another sketch. This time I will create a sketch on this face. I select this face, choose Create Sketch, and here, just like before, I will start by creating reference geometry to get this point. Here I will create, for example, a slot more or less like this. And the slot width, for example, 3 millimeters. I close the sketch, and now I select the start profile. I choose the Subtractive Pipe operation. I indicate the path along which I drag the profile. Okay, here. Okay, I missed the sketch here, so I activate the path selection option again and select the sketch. Now I go to this section and select Multisection, select Add Section, and indicate the end profile sketch. Of course, we can also apply intermediate profiles here, and we can create these sketches somewhere on this path and use these sketches as intermediate profiles. We click OK, and in this way we created something like this. We created a material removal by sweeping a sketch along a path. Additionally, we applied a transition from one shape to another shape. As you can see, these operations, both the additive pipe and subtractive pipe operations, work quite nicely and allow for creating quite interesting shapes. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you'd like more videos like this, consider subscribing.